Look at this beautiful thing. Tree. Beautiful palm tree. Just right up in Crockett. I'm gonna go under there. Leave the umbrella. You smell so good. You feel so good. Oh, what's this beautiful thing? Bark? My hands are so cold. I really have to pee and really would like to pee right here, but I think there's video cameras, so maybe I shouldn't. And I want to live in Crockett, so maybe I shouldn't. Beautiful girl, look at you. I'm cold. Just like nature. I feel like I'm in a little cocoon. Look at this mermaid. Why hella parts of me want to start taking shit like this and making art out of it. I could probably make a mermaid, like a full-on mermaid out of this palm tree. That would be fun. So if I'm ever stuck on an island, that's what I'll do. I'll make an use my period blood to paint it in mud. Oh, I love you. Can I lean on you? I think I need, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Guys, this feels so good. I have not been outside in nature, just like, especially by myself, in hella long. I've been feeling this need to be in nature, to be outside. Even the cold's not really stopping me from that desire either. Like, I don't care how cold I am. I'll warm up. I do feel not that cold right now, like, especially my back feels super warm. My hands are freezing, but that's okay. I have like, it's okay. It's just a little dirt. Feels so good right now. I'm calm. I look a little strange if someone saw me, but whatever. Right? Whatever. Who gives a fuck? I feel good. Hey, I feel like I pass people all the time doing weird shit, and I'm like, yeah, it's weird, but it's like also it's like makes me smile when I see people doing weird shit. It makes me happy that they just are comfortable being whoever they are and doing whatever the fuck they want. Like, that makes me feel good, and that's the person I want to be, is someone that does whatever the fuck she wants without thinking about how I'm making other people feel. Like, I of course not hurt anybody, like, because I'm not going to be hurting anybody. I don't want to be hurting anybody, but I also don't want to put other people's comfortability before my own happiness. So, and just, I need to put fear of judgment aside. I don't care what other people think. That's all this is. Just make yourself happy. I think we all have these weird desires that we hold back to not seem weird. But I think we're all just fucking weird in our own ways and do weird shit. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's just me and what I think, because I'm weird. And I'm just hoping everybody else is weird too. I think we all are. A squirrel. Come here, friend. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. It was good feeling your warmth and your love and your stillness and your protection and your energy. You are good energy, and I love you, and I'm coming back to you, and I'm gonna kiss you. And I'm gonna kiss these new plants. I love you guys. And to the old, bye. I gotta get in the car now. I am so coming back to you, girl. I'll be back. Mark my words. I'll be back.